Welcome to Sekumpul Waterfall, one of the hidden natural wonders in North Bali. With a height of 80 meters, this waterfall onset intruding camp, as if the pink, perfect natural harmony. The sound of the raw of filling water is very calming, charming a perfect and serene surrounded by lush green trees and fresh air. Sekumpul is a place that brings us strength to natural. Every drop of water that falls, every gust of wind reminds of the natural beauty that we must perfect and preserve. Sekumpul Waterfall is one of the famous natural terrains destination in Bali, Indonesia, launched in Sekumpul Village, Sawan Ditrin Buleleng, Regui, Bali. This waterfall is known as to enter Sekumpul Waterfall. The entry fee is usually around 20,000 to 30,000 per person. However, this price can vary depending on the management, parking, and the year of fees. In ancient times, in a flakes of grill launched at the foot of Mount Batukaru, Bali, there lived a beautiful woman named Sekumpul. Sekumpul, which now by all the villagers as a big grill. There are several products and services that can be found around the Sekumpul waterfall area. Here are some of the products that can be found there, like grill park, ras park, jajan Bali tradisional Balinese, cup, fish, coconut water, or other drink.